with me here, you'll never be lonely. It's oh so clear, I've always been falling through a life that's upside down. Somehow you turn me around. So stay another night. 'Cause all we have is time. Keep you close and savor the moment. You raise my hopes and don't even know it. In a life that's upside down, somehow you turn me around. So stay another night. 'Cause all we have is time.
Can't take heartache, but I don't think I'm ever getting past you. All day, I'll stay. You and me, a beautiful disaster. Always fighting till we go insane. Fuck all night until we don't feel pain. All day, I'll stay. You and me, a beautiful disaster. I know why your mind is so dishonest. I see you and I'm fucked up like before. I'm surprised at 40, really trying to blow my brains tonight. Fucked up on a Saturday, the vibes ain't right and the sex don't feel like love. I know that there's better days, the memories are gone. It's a beautiful disaster. Can't take heartache, but I don't think I'm ever getting past you. All day, I'll stay. You and me, a beautiful disaster. Always fighting till we go insane. Fuck all night until we don't feel pain. All day, I'll stay. You and me, a beautiful disaster.
Wake up in Pasadena, nobody asked where we from. Cold-blooded conversation, ADD told me to run. Why he got too many coats, Cali got too many sons. Home of the famous and broke, broken and lonely a bunch. I'm in love with, feeling loved and I always low on the above when I see a green light. I can't help it, yeah. I can't help when I leave my safety in a vibe, bet I leave it all behind. And I keep nothing in mind on the east side. I don't have the time to be stepping out of line. Gotta keep myself in line. If I leave my safety in a vibe, bet I leave it all behind. And I keep nothing in mind on the east side. I don't have the time to be stepping out of line. Gotta keep myself in line. If I don't have the time to be patient. Half that shit is already wasted. Keeping next to nothing adjacent. Always thought it's funny how, yeah. I walk around like I know where to go. Don't gotta whip it, I'm still on the road. I'm in LA cause why you got cold. I'm in LA cause I'm tryna be frozen. I'm in love with, feeling loved and I always low on the above when I see a green light. I can't help it, yeah. I can't help when I leave my safety in a vibe, bet I leave it all behind. And I keep nothing in mind on the east side. I don't have the time to be stepping out of line. Gotta keep myself in line. If I leave my safety in a vibe, bet I leave it all behind. And I keep nothing in mind on the east side. I don't have the time to be stepping out of line. Gotta keep myself in line. If I okay, oh yeah, okay, yeah,
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. What's up? What's up? How's it going? How are we doing? How are we feeling? Let me know in the chat. How's everything going? I hope you're having a wonderful morning. We're going to be starting this off right. You already know how we do. We're going to start off with a positive affirmation. So please give me a 111 in the chat so we can get this thing started. Jess, good morning to you. Real Knowledge, William, Black Diamond, V Chrome, Sock. We got Janice, we got Dave, we got A7, Frankie, Coach. We're gonna run out of breath saying everyone's names. Hello, good morning. Thank you so much for saying good morning in the chat, y'all. Truly appreciate every single one of you. All right, here we go. Here we go. March 8th, 2025, Daily Positivity. Don't wait for the right moment. The time is now. You're ready, and the universe is aligning with your intentions. I love that, y'all. The time is now. Today, I'm actually going to be doing some good mindset stuff with you throughout the stream. So make sure you stay tuned for that. All right. Alrighty. Looks like I got to update gold. Let's see. Oh, we are up. Starting off the day, plus $92. We were on an Asian session last night. Took a little $100 loss. We made that back and some between then and now. So starting off, got a little $200 trade in. So that covered the 99 loss. And then now we're up 92. So yeah. Other than that, wow, we're gonna have to use the bank zones. Jeez. Well, today's gonna be interesting. We are at all-time highs on gold. I wish I had like a... Do I have anything? Oh, shit! Oh, that's the wrong button. That is the wrong button. I'm so sorry. I thought I had a celebration. We need like a celebration for gold. We're at all-time highs. Oh, I really don't have nothing. Oh, I got this. Maybe I should press that the first time. You sup? What's up? What's up? Good morning to you. Him who is I. Good morning to you. Hope you're having a great morning. Next in innovation. Welcome back. I see you. I see you. Appreciate every single one of you for being here this morning. Yeah, it looks like I'm just going to add in bank zones today, so that's fine. Let's start, where are we at, 45? I guess we'll start where price is. We don't know how high this is going to go, so maybe I'll just add 3. And I'm glad we have to do this today because this is going to show you how powerful the bank zones are when you don't have market structure to the left in the past to go off of. As I tell you all the time, the bank zones are golden. Those are your zones. And put one more. Okay, that should be good for going up. Let's add some for coming down. Right around here. I'm going to show you how great my levels are. We're going to be able to follow this all throughout the day. And we'll add one more just to add one more. Right around here. Perfect. All right. So now that I just placed my levels on, right, I'm going to show you how well that is. Check it out on the 5-minute time frame. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Pretty good, pretty good. Horses sound an exclusive deal. You like that option? Dark Angel, what's up? Good morning to you. Hope you're having a great morning. Hi, Tony. Welcome back, Tony. Good rising to you. Chat, did y'all smile today, chat? Did you look yourself in the mirror and smile today? If you didn't, I'm gonna need you to smile for yourself right now, please. Make sure you smile. Be proud of yourself. You have survived all the hardest days you've been through thus far. You are unstoppable, unbeatable. You can do anything. You can do anything you put your mind to. Just remember that, chat. No matter how down bad you are, you can do anything. I want you all to remember that. You can achieve and accomplish anything you put your mind to. If you had that thought and idea to do trading, well, that thought came to your mind for a reason. It's an opportunity, right? It's not an easy opportunity, but it is an opportunity. And it came to you. That makes you special. Not everybody gets into trading. So really give yourself a pat in the back for trying this out, seriously, because this ain't easy. Like, everyone here has courage, okay? You don't think you got courage, you got courage. Anyone who tries trading's got some courage. Anyone trying to learn about trading's got some courage, right? Dave with the official logo in the chat, I appreciate you. Just because Dave spanned that up, can we get some hype in the chat? If you got that official logo, or if you got some fire on you, if you got a W you can drop, can we get some hype in the chat? Let's see if Nightbot. There we go, Nightbot. Thank you, Nightbot. We gotta wake everybody up a little bit. Hey, there we go. There we go. I'll play it one more time. I get everybody in a good mood here. So yeah, I mean, on gold, we're in this range. Right, we're in this range right now, so nothing we can do about it right now, right? So I'm just kind of watching it here. Nothing I can do about this range. The other thing is when we're at all-time highs, it's really hard to keep buying it, right? It's hard to keep buying it, but yeah, I mean, if I see something I like, I may try to give it a go, but yeah, we'll see. Right now, to me, it's kind of in this range, so I will, I'll wait. And I'm going to turn on the EMA here because I kind of want to see it. Yeah, see, we just kind of had like a bounce formed down here, right? So down here would be where you would have wanted to get in. A little wary of buying the resistance. Let's see, we got about 6 minutes till 9:30. Gold's hovering above that 30.45 level. Next level I have is 30.50. So let's take a look on over at NASDAQ, see what NASDAQ got for us. Mal, what's up, Mal? Good morning. I like that owl you got there. Looks like a star just joined your live. I just arrived. You're so funny, Mal. You're so funny. Yes, a star has entered. Thank you for entering. Hope you're having a great morning. All right, let's check out gold. I want to see gold on the daily. What type of candle? Look at this candle. Why does it seem like it should be bullish? Well, we gap up and we come down. What's going on here? What's going on here? All right, let me see it on the 4 hour. Okay, see, now it makes sense. Yeah. Okay, yeah, we gapped up, came down. Let me see it on the daily. It just looks kind of funny. Speaking of, did I miss anything on the daily? I'm just curious. Oh, no, not really. All right. Well, the way I'm kind of seeing this is we had a range over here, right? So price is currently coming back down towards the top of it. So we'll have to see what happens. Like, are we going to come down and then continue down in this range, or are we just going to make a bounce, right? Is this a retracement, or are we coming back down? It's the question that needs to be answered today. We'll take it step by step. Yesterday, NASDAQ was aggy to me, but it looks like all the setups were later on in the day, so we may get the same effect this morning. So we're going to be super, super patient. We may get chopped because FOMC is tomorrow. So I won't be surprised if today is kind of like yesterday, you know? Got about 2 minutes till 9:30 open. Got the market open coming up very, very soon, very, very quickly here. All right, looks like gold closed above this range if I kind of group it like that. Now we're retracing. But like I said, I mean, the launch happened down here. I would rather have gotten in at the launch. Little wary of getting in at the top. You know what I mean? Because we don't know where the top is. All right, let's add some bank zones on NAS. I have one right here. 1 minute and 30 seconds till 9:30 open. Here we go. Okay, let's see. 48 seconds, y'all. 48 seconds. It looks like on a lower time frame here, we just had this whoop. What happened? We just had this range, right? And kind of broke out to the downside here. How come I can't measure this? 25 seconds till the opening. Here we go. 45. Where's the VWAP at? Oh, it's way up there. Gotcha. Here we go. 5 seconds on the clock till the opening. Here we go. Let me anchor 8 o'clock open. Here's 8 o'clock. No, it's all the way down here. Oh, definitely not helpful where we are. Okay. All right, NAS is continuing to drop. Gold currently is moving up. We'll see if it holds. Let's see, y'all like that poll this morning? Let me know what you think about that poll. If cheetahs are the fastest land animal, why do we measure car speed in horsepower? Just some food for thought for you this morning. Has anyone ever wondered that? All right, so we got some cool little options there. Cheetah power sounds dangerous. Horses signed an exclusive deal. Cheetahs refuse to work a 9 to 5. Converting miles per hour to cheetahs per second. What do you think the reason is? Go ahead and let us know in that poll. Looks kind of chopped on the 1 minute here. My goodness. Do I need to turn the music down a little bit? Okay, I think the music's all right. Because a horse is fast. Cheetahs per second is too funny. Yeah, it does sound weird, huh? Cheetahs per second. Although, I guess we don't say horse per second, huh? What do we say? We say miles per hour. So I guess we'd still say miles per hour, huh? Oh my goodness. I feel like there's something in my eye. Let me move it over a bit. Well, that's why I made the comment of gold is currently going up, but we'll see if it holds, because look at this now. Because remember, we're at all-time highs, so it's kind of hard to sit here and just buy a breakout at all-time highs. That's why we're sitting on our hands here. My goodness, what a top wick. 32 points on that top wick here. Wow. All right. NASA's circling back up. All right. Okay, gold, bringing it on down. Okay, I'm going to anchor 8 o'clock again since we're coming back down. We were way above the anchor. Oh, hold on. We were way above the anchor level, but now that we're coming back down, I'm going to anchor it. Could help us out here today with the volume. So what that anchor is anchoring the volume from the opening of today on gold. So the way you want to follow that is it's to help you see who's in charge. Like, where's the momentum? Are the buyers in charge right now, or are the sellers in charge? Okay. That's what it's helpful for. It's helpful for volume and balance as well. So for an example, we just had all these buys, right? From the morning. So the moment price touches this, the sellers have filled the imbalance of all these buys, right? And for those who are new to trading, if you're like, what is she talking about? All this buying pressure we just got, we're at ultimate highs. Okay. So with all these buyers in the market, it creates an imbalance of sellers, meaning a lack of sellers. Okay, so to fill out that imbalance, we got to come down and tap that level, right? So taking a look at this, if we look at this on the 1 minute, look at the amount of sellers that just came into the market, right? Look at these bearish candles, bear, big selling volume here. And we just tapped that level, right? So we just now equaled out that imbalance. And that kind of goes back to why you don't want to buy over here, because if we are just moving further and further away, then we're creating a bigger imbalance. You don't want to get caught in the sell-off. Get what I'm saying, chat? Steven, good morning, good morning. What's the difference between price data and futures charts and FX charts? Yeah, it is going to be different as far as the prices go. Like, for example, if you give me a price point on a gold Forex chart, that's going to be an entire different price point here. So, yeah, the prices are different. We're a little bit higher up here. We're in the 3000s, the high 3000s. Well, I guess not high. We're at 3040 on gold. On Forex, I'm assuming you're at 3000 or below. I'm going to assume on the Forex chart, it's not this high up. It may look similar, but it's probably not this high up. That's with the big sell-off here. Big sell-off. All right, this could look good for sells here. Jeez. Risk would be 34 points. It's a little steep. It's a little steep. We didn't really get much of a retest for 34 points. I think we may get a good sell-off here on gold. My only problem with it was we didn't get much of a test. I wanted to see this come back up a little bit because we had huge selling pressure, which means we should be due for a test here. I mean, we dropped like 70 points on the 1 minute. So that's a lot. You know, it's not like we dropped 20 points. We dropped 70 points. So I'm going to wait for it to come back up a little bit. And then I may see where it's at then. I know it's kind of testing up in these bullish candles, yeah, but I was expecting a little bit more of a test, but maybe we're not going to get that. Maybe I expect too much, chat. We're at 330-ish on Forex. Oh, so it's not too much lower. So what is it, 100 points lower? Top wick is 27 compared to 32. Jeez, looks like we got a little bit more volume in this market then. So much for a test. She's going. Wow, so your top wick is 27 and this one's 34. That's crazy, huh? Oh my goodness. 55 points from the break of the low. So much for wanting it to go back up a little bit before coming down. It's all good. All good. Ever heard of bleeder limited downward action this morning? No, I never heard of that. Oh, you mean like price bleeding? Is that what you mean? Sean, what's up, Sean? I hope you're having a great morning. Grand rising to you. Shorts still in play. Yep. Shorts are in play. By the way, if you've been enjoying the stream, don't forget to give it a like this morning if you've been enjoying the live streams. That might have been our sell play there. It really be these stop losses that make you question, like, is it worth all that? You know? For me, that's what makes me question. Because you have to think, 2 months ago, weren't risking 34 points on a 3-minute candle. No, for me, a lot on a 3-minute candle would be like 20, 25. That would be considered a lot. But now a lot is like 35, 40 on a 3-minute candle. It's crazy. It is so crazy. You know, cool little 15, 20 point risk. Yeah, go ahead and give it a try. Stole it from the Call of Duty streamer named Swag. Oh, wait, I think I know exactly who you're talking about. What's up, Forex Ninja? Inflation on the 3-minute. Right? Well, though, I guess you can kind of see how this is helpful, right? When we're anchoring that volume, we fill out the imbalance, the lack of sellers, and then sellers decided to take control after that, right? So anytime we fill out an imbalance of volume, they can fight again, right? Buyers and sellers fight. Somebody's got to win. When somebody wins, that's when you see the breakout. Either buyers have the momentum, you see it buying up, or sellers have the momentum, you see it selling off, right? So anytime you see us go back to an imbalance, it's like reset. Here we go again. Another fight. If you want to think of it that way. Let's see, we got about 2 minutes till this 15-minute candle closes here. It just came straight down here on NAS. No mercy, straight down. You know, I wasn't risking 48 points on a 930 candle. Not on a 930 candle. About 30 seconds. Kind of looks like a, if we zoom out a little bit, like a pendant breakout, right? It's about 62 points. So it's way past its break, so there must be a bigger break somewhere else. Let's see. Oh, I see. It's a Head and Shoulders. That's the break we want to measure. So let's measure this and let's see how far this is projected to go. 250. So if we measure down 250, NASA's projected to stop around here. Whoa, how come I can't get my line? NASA's projected to stop right around here. So let's see. I guess we'll see. Move this down. Use the bank zone for 26 risks. Nice, nice. Hi, Johnny. Good morning. Ian Dow looking indecisive right now. Yep. Good luck with Dow, Ian. Good luck. Can't imagine the volume in it right now. By the way, chat, somebody was asking in the Discord if people are trading ICT concepts, SMC and all that. Anybody you see in the Discord with a color name, right? Like Karain, his name is in pink. We got Ian's name is in blue. You're either going to see blue or pink depending on their level of membership. Dave is in blue, right? So you're either going to see a blue or pink name. All those names are members. So I just ask, if you're going to come into my community, be respectful. Don't ask them, oh, where'd you learn that from? Oh, they learned it from me. Wake up. This is my community. This is my server. Okay. Don't discredit my hard work. Don't discredit my concepts. Just because I'm not popular doesn't mean that people didn't learn from me. You see it time and time again. You know what I mean? So just a PSA announcement. When you see stuff like this, just know people actually learn here and people are actually trading by themselves here. And that's the point of the community. You know, the point of the community is for you to be able to trade on your own and unlock that financial freedom, right? Unlock some extra cash flow for yourself, all the above, you know, whatever you want to do with the money, you do. But the point is for you to come here and learn from each other, learn from me, learn from everybody, right? Network. We have people here who found out they live in the same city and they've met up and they trade together, you know, so it's a good networking place as well. Thank you, Ian. Put some respect on Lynn's name. So yeah, just the PSA here. Let's see, just kind of watching both of these here. I'm gonna put this on the 3 minute. I don't really need this anymore since it's kind of getting it to bounce over here. All right, take a look at gold now. Big push right here. We kind of have this double bottom formation and then we kind of created a support on top of it and then we had to go. That was very quick. That was very, very quick. You look away for a second, boom. And we bounced off of 30.35. Came back up to 3040, excuse me. Question is, was that the pullback? We'll see, these candles are quite large here on the 3-minute. I mean, this candle's 48 points. My goodness. Alrighty, we got NASDAQ retracing off of that 750 level up here. That top wick that was just formed. On the 1-minute too. Getting a little chopped here, maybe trying to trap buyers. We'll see. We'll see. For me, it's no play right here in this chop. I'd rather wait for a little bit more clarity on this. You know? Let's see, let's see. Told you, trying to trap buyers. Don't get trapped. Don't get trapped. Nas likes to trap all the time. What streaming software do you use? Rick, hello and good morning to you. I use OBS. All right, this candle closed over here. What a strong closure that was. Tough spot here on gold. Little bit of a tough spot. Tough spot in both of these. Jeez. Well, this is where patience comes into play, right? Patience comes into play. Let's do this. See what I got for you while we're waiting. We do have an hourly close coming up in 6 minutes here. So check this out. It says this chapter of my life is called My Turn. All right. So I want you to claim that chat. Go ahead and type my turn in the chat. If you are ready to change your life this year, the year is still young. Doesn't matter how far back behind. It doesn't matter if you start today. You have plenty of time this year. You know, you just have to believe in yourself and you can't take any days off. Every day, do something that works towards your goal. That's all you have to do. And think positive. Well, thinking positive is the hard part, of course. Believing in yourself is the hard part, right? It's hard to believe in yourself when you feel like all odds are against you or all odds have always been against you, right? So yeah, let me get a my turn in the chat. It's your turn. Time to level up. Time to change your life. You can change your life in a year. I promise you. I promise you. So if anyone wants some advice on a routine here, hold on 1 second, chat. Let's put a pause on our conversation. I'm looking at gold. Looking at gold here. It's kind of hard, like I said, to take a buy here at all-time highs. It's kind of hard to. All right, we'll leave it alone. But yeah, this says the $1 million morning routine. And I can tell you, I do this routine, and doing this routine really does change your life. You just get into such a disciplined mindset. And remember, if you want to manifest something, whether it be money, you can manifest anything, chat. Just so you know. Once you do it for the first time, you can't hear me? You can't hear me, chat? On. Looks like I'm in the green. Is there a reason why y'all can't hear me? Sajmir says preach. It sounds fine. You got hit with ads at the worst time. Okay. All right, like I was saying, this routine definitely has changed my life. If you want to manifest something in your life, you have to act like you're already doing it. You get what I'm saying? So if you want to manifest, and it sounds kind of funny. It sounds funny, but you have to play the game, chat. You have to act like you're already doing what you want to do. So if you want to manifest money into your life, think about that figure and think about what would you be doing if you had that right now? What would that feel like? That's what you should be doing right now, today. Okay? So whether it be helping people out, just imagine yourself helping out your family or helping out your friends, you know? You know what I mean? Just do that. So when you put yourself in this type of routine, you're doing what you would be doing if you were successful. This is what most successful people do. Exercise, shower, meditate, read, breakfast, set some goals, start your day. You know, and the key to this is exercise, meditate, and reading. It could be as simple as that. And I know it sounds weird. You're like, how the heck is that going to bring money into my life? It does. It does, because you're not because when you do these things, it takes your focus off of your debt, off of your bills, off of the job you don't like, off of your current situation. Maybe your car's not working. Maybe you got all these things going on. When you're exercising and you're meditating, you're focused on your own empowerment. You're focused on yourself being the best that you can be. And when you do that, that's bringing in that energy of where you want to be at. You get what I'm saying, chat? We are what we think. So if you think about your bills, well, more bills are coming. If you think about your debt, it's going to get worse, right? So when you do this routine, you're keeping your mind off of that. You get what I'm saying? Promise you, just try it. Shay Mo in the chat. Welcome back to the stream. Lynn's oldie friend here from down under. Used to trade with you back 50K challenge. Hope you've been well. Stop by to say hello. Thank you for stopping by to say hello. I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you stopping by. And yes, I remember you, of course. I think I'm the only live streamer that knows my chat. Like, I know everybody in my chat, you know? Even if you haven't been here for 6 months. You know, when we used to have 20,000 viewers, I still talk to everybody in my chat. What are you doing? What are you doing? Get off of there. Oh my God, I wish y'all could see. I wish y'all could see my dog right now. He is on the tippity top of the couch, balancing himself, like on the top of the couch, like the flat part. I have a big couch. kind of funny, low key. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of funny. But yeah, I was saying, even when we had 20,000 and 30,000 viewers on this stream, you know, I still made sure I recognized everybody in the chat, right? Everyone who's an OG is a witness to that, right? Do you still use the QB concept? Yes, here's a QB right here, actually, on NAS. I don't have an arrow. Right here, we have a bullish QB. And when we get that, you usually get a bearish candle next to it, right? By principle. So yeah, that's funny. You asked, and there was literally one right here. But you got to be careful with this chop. Because last week I seen a bunch of them in a row, which can make it a little difficult, right? You love the QB concepts? They're very helpful, especially if you see them on a higher time frame. Then it's pretty... You can definitely predict where the next candle's going on the higher time frame, at least. Let me see if I give you an example. Oh, here's one. Okay, so here we have a bearish QB. And remember, when you get a bearish QB, the next candle is going to be bullish. Right? And then you should be getting a bullish breakout. So the next candle was bullish, and then you get your bullish breakout. When did this happen? Oh, 12 a.m. No wonder why. Is that 12? It said 12. Is that 12 a.m.? Well, definitely wasn't up for that. This one's a thick QB. Hard to count this one, but this is a bullish QB. So next to a bullish QB, you should get a bearish candle and then a continuation of a bearish breakout. Yeah, so there goes the concept over there too. This one's a little harder though, because this one's kind of thick. But yeah, shout out to you for remembering that concept that I had there. Again, chat, I have my own concepts. But yeah, QB concept's good. Abina, hey, good morning to you. Hope you're having a great morning. Nas going for those lows. I think Nas is off the gas now. I think this is the stopping ground right here. I do believe this is the stopping ground. Now, what do I want to see here? We're kind of getting... We got a teeny bit of a bounce here. Now we're getting another bounce here. And this may be where people start to buy it up. Chat, I'll be right back. I'm just going to feed the doggos. And I'm going to get my coffee. I made coffee this morning. I just forgot to bring the mug in here. I literally forgot to bring the... Hey, is Ava Futures legit for live accounts? Ava Futures. Hold on. I think I just... Thank you for asking that. Let me just double check. No. Is Ava Futures the same as AvaTrade, or is that two different things? That's why I wanted to check. AvaTrade. Let me see. Ava Futures. If that's AvaTrade, then I heard of it. But if it's its own thing, then I've never. It's my first time on this website. It says EN, so oh well, that just stands for English, actually. Well, what you want to do when you go to a new broker, you want to scroll all the way down. Even though it says it's regulated, it may not be regulated where you live. So I live in the US and most brokers are not regulated where I live. So let's just see if it's regulated in the US. EU is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland. I see Cyprus, I see Dubai. It's regulated in Japan. Where's the USA? South Africa is regulated. Australia, it's regulated. It's regulated in Israel. Yeah, doesn't look like it's regulated in the US. And if you, oh, look at the map here. They're showing you right here. There's Australia, there's South Africa. It's showing you right here where they're regulated at. Israel, right? So if you notice over here, it's not regulated in the US on this map either. But yeah, we just went through the list. It's not regulated in the US. So I really can't speak for it. Looks like it's regulated in those countries if you live in those countries though. It's a sister company. I'm from EU, not sure how strong the regulation is for Ireland. Yeah, me either. That's a good question though that you asked. ISTG, the US hates us. The US hates us. You're funny. You're so funny. Okay, chat. I said I was gonna go feed the dogs. This is a good time because there's nothing going on here for me to enter. Well, yeah, there's nothing going on here for me personally, so I'll be right back. Give me 1 minute and 30 seconds on the clock. All right. Let's see. All right, chat, I am back. Here we go. What the heck? I got an email from someone trying to say something, trying to advertise their broker, and they spelled broker wrong. How are you trying to advertise your broker and you spell broker wrong? Are you kidding me? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I don't get it, chat. I'm sorry, but you gotta double check your work. I know mistakes happen, but you're doing a business proposal to people. At least get better at scamming. Jeez. There was like 3 E's in broker. It was like BREOKEER. Brokier. I'm advertising my brokier. All right, let's take a look here at NASDAQ. Looks like NASDAQ is trying to get up here. Got a little 3-bar reversal going on here in the 3-minute. I like this liquidity wick, and a push up would be nice. This actually looks pretty good to me. 42-point stop loss, so probably risk a little less here. Maybe $8 a point. I like this for buys here. If we flip up. All right, definitely not flipping up. Never mind. I was gonna say if we break these highs. Did not break those highs though. Let me see this again. Right here. Okay. NASA's nassing. NASA is nassing. How many new people we got in the chat? That's a good question. Yeah, chat, let me know. How many new people do we have in the chat? We could get a candle flip here. We push up right here. 37-point stop loss. It'd be a little impulsive, but I'm just thinking of it as if we get a double bounce on this level. So we're just gonna have to watch. See if we get a double bounce on this level. See? NASA's being aggravating. We got a QB there in the 1 minute. Can we get a QB on a higher time frame though? So yeah, I'm thinking about if we push through here to take some buys, maybe 35-point stop loss on this. It's moving so fast, I don't want to go to another time frame right now because I'm watching this. I wanted to see where the opening range was. Okay, it's touching that zone again. Okay, now we can see what the opening range was. Real quickly, we're at the bottom of the opening range. That's nice. Let me just graph it for you so you can see it. This is the opening range here. So we're at the bottom. That's nice. Oh wait, where's the middle? 780? Okay. 780. Keep that in mind. Well, really tried to get people to buy this here. My goodness. Tough luck. Tough luck. I don't need that anymore. We got gold coming on down. See, and this is what I mean by this is tough. You see how strong this bearish candle is? This is a strong bearish candle, but as you've been seeing the last 2 weeks, we'll get a strong bullish candle right next to it, right? It's a little tough when it's strong on both sides. It's gonna be patient here. Let price show us what it wants to do. Hi, Smokey. Good morning to you. Chat, check out my mug. It says I like coffee and maybe 3 people. Facts. Okay, it's not really facts because I like y'all chat. So that's more than 3 people, right? We got more than 3 people in the chat, so maybe it's not facts. I'm capping now. Yes. All right, so remember I said I'm watching to see if we do get a bounce here. Ooh, we got like a 3-bar reversal vibe. Here in the 1 minute. We'll see. I'm in watch mode. Filthy market. Filthy. Just gonna take out the low of the previous candle like it's nothing, huh? Like it's nothing. I'm curious if this lines up. Oh, it does line up. That's interesting. I have 5 seconds left on this 3-minute candle here. We can push past this high at 687.5. Then I'll look for some buys here. 33 points stop loss. You're risking probably about 330, but what's the potential? Potential could be about 78 points. So yeah, risking 330 for $780 seems worth. See if we take it, if it breaks this high, what are we saving? 5 points. Not me talking about saving points. That'd be 83. Okay. Because I'm looking at it as a double bounce. And then maybe we can get a go. But that's only if we see what we want to see here. We don't see what we want to see, and we are sitting on our hands, right? Perhaps. Gold's a lost cause right now, so, you know. We're waiting. Oh, okay. Theory is out the door on that one. Completely out the door. We just came down and broke these lows. Guess we're free falling. Free fall day. I really feel bad for anyone who got trapped in these buys because it's not easy not to buy here. I mean, this is like a good buy. It's like we're at the discount here. Tricky Nas. Tricky Nas. Nas being Nas. Oh! That was kind of quick. Alright, I gotta lower my risk. Let's see if we can break Buy again. Take a buy. Stop loss at the bottom of this candle. It's gonna be a little hefty. 46 points. 47 points actually. What? You have to risk a little bit less. Probably do $6 a point here instead of $10 a point. That's right, right, chat? Let me see. Let me get the calculator. 6 times 47. Yeah, or can we do... Okay, we're gonna take a buy here. Looks like 3-bar reversal vibes on the 5-minute. I'm kind of seeing this as we got the buyers to step in over here. We got the sellers to do that test. Now we got buyers stepping in again on this level, so hopefully this is the momentum we need. This is where I was looking for the bounce to get a bit of a retracement here. I am looking for about 82 points on this. If we go higher than that, then I forgot, what was that level? What did I say, 780? I think I said 780 earlier, right? Let me know in the chat. Did I say 780? I think I called out 780. Okay, we'll put it at 780. We need TP1 though. TP1 should be around right here. Alrighty, chat. Let's see. Patient on this bounce here, so let's see if the patience pays, right? Dave said the candle's looking weird. Frankie, still no trades for me. Dow snapped out of my ankles today. Nah, it's all good, Ian. Look, Ian, you've been trading really well. It's all good. Sometimes there's always that day out of the week sometimes where it's like, boom, slaps you in the face, right? It's all good. If you feel like you are kind of like, go ahead and lock yourself out, right? Lock yourself out of the account. Yeah, I guess my projection is literally here, but I'm gonna put this a little higher in case we get like a pop. Just in case we get a pop. I'm gonna put this on a little bit of a lower time frame so you can see it in a little bit more detail. So yeah, we're kind of getting that double bounce on this level, and this is a very, very strong level. So again, the fact that the buyers are stepping in again is where I believe momentum is going to be. I believe the momentum is going to be here for the push. TP1 is at this structure. It's very, you know, at this resistance here, about 30 points in. TP1 should be, let's get the calculator. Should be 180. Maybe I want to move TP1 up again a little bit more. Morning, what's up, Leslie? Hope you're having a great morning. By the way, chat, it's time to put some hype in the chat. We got to wake y'all up a little bit. Time to wake up. Let me know how you feeling this morning. Go ahead and drop some fire in the chat. Drop that official logo if you got it. It is time to wake it up. Wake it up. Come on. Need y'all to wake up a little bit. It's wake up time, chat. Up about $100. It would be up a lot more, but the risk was so high on this that trying to not risk $500 on this trade. So in order to not risk $500 on this trade, we had to bring the risk down a little bit. So yeah, just waiting. See if we can smack TP1 here. We can smack TP1, we'll be good to go. So sleepy today. It does feel like a sleepy day, I'm not gonna lie. It definitely feels like a sleepy day. It's not even raining outside either, huh? We gotta get the vibe up a little bit, because I'm feeling tired too. So our entry's been tapped about 4 times in the last 5 minutes. So just being patient here. Gonna pretty much ride this out. I guess we'll watch it on the 3-minute. Now I'm hearing Jack Harlow. You don't hang a trade anymore. Any suggestions for burgers? I offer MT5. Hey, Paulo. Good morning to you. Yeah, the reason why is because with the U.S. law, they cut down on regulation last year. So we got to stick to regulation only, unfortunately. But hey, it keeps you out of trouble, right? We don't want to get in no legal trouble. So if you do live in the US, I recommend going regulated. As far as which ones have MT5, to my knowledge, I don't think any of the regulated USA brokers have MT5, to my knowledge. I'm thinking. Yeah, to my knowledge. Unless I'm missing one, let me know in the chat if I'm missing one. Because remember, Russia owns the MT5 platform, and they're not messing with the US right now, so we're kind of banned. Where the music gone? What pair is it? Black Excellent FX. Good morning to you. Hope you're having a great morning. The pair that I'm in a trade in is NASDAQ. Over here to the right. Over here to the left is gold. So we got gold futures, and then we got NASDAQ futures over here. Just being patient on this one. You know, obviously we could have moved stops to break even a long time ago, and we can do it right now and make this a risk-free trade and get out of trouble here. But giving it a go here, trusting this setup. I didn't see anything yet that makes me think it's not going my way, so I'm holding it out here. Now if I see things where I'm like, oh wait, that shouldn't be happening in this setup, then yeah, that's when I adjust risk, or I'll cut a trade, you know what I mean? But right now I don't see anything that's going against my setup, so I'm pretty cool with holding this here. Now once we smack TP1, well yeah, I'm gonna put stops to break even here. At that point, I mean, we go up 30 points and then we come back down. At that point, cool, you know. Plexi Traders won. Oh, Z, thank you, Z. Good morning to you, Z. Amanda, what's up? Welcome back. Good morning to you. Hope you're having a wonderful morning. Go Nas, lay profit. Yeah, go ahead and use that. Anyone in profit? Can we get a lay profit in the chat? Anybody else? Lay profit. Shout out to Bacon for giving us that idea. We get MT5 back when Russia. That's funny. Orlando offers MT4. Is it 1K a good amount to start? Also, FTMO and the US regulations pull the rack. Well, here's my opinion on that, Paula. Paula, I'm glad you asked this question too. Here's the thing. If you're starting with 1,000, yes, you can start with 1,000 in your brokerage, which honestly, that is a good start to get your feet wet, but just know you have to do small risk. So you have to think about how much you're going to be able to risk. You're definitely going to have to trade micros if you're doing futures. 1% of that account is $10. So you don't want to risk more than $10 a trade, which is going to be tough, right? If you're trading NASDAQ, one micro is $2 a point. So $2 a point, well, that's a little tough, right? Because it only takes 5 points to get to $10, right? So technically you need a lot more money than that, is what I'm trying to say. You know what I mean? If you're just getting your feet wet and you just want to test it out, like trading your own money, then yes, it's fine for $1,000. But if you're actually trying to make money, you need a lot more capital in there. So that's where the prop firms come into play. Because with prop firms, you can invest $50 and do a 50K challenge and you can make thousands of dollars, right? You can't make thousands of dollars with $1,000 account. You know what I mean? So that's where the prop firms come into play. So we were in profit, back in drawdown, back in profit. NASA's getting very chopped here, right? Very, very testy, very chopped. So remember I said I'll hold this out until I see something I don't like, then I'll cut it early, right? So right here, the way this 5-minute candle is forming, it depends how it closes. Depending on how this candle closes, I'll make a decision here. Because this candle can make a bottom wick and flip up bullish. This candle could close bearish here. Depends how it closes here. So we got about a minute and 38 seconds. It closed as a bearish QB, which means we should be getting a bullish candle next to it. So looks like we may be all set. Let's see if we follow those QB principles that I came up with. Remember, those are my concepts, official concepts. We're gonna have to just start calling it official concepts. But yeah, y'all, you seeing me hold this trade out in confidence in front of you. You seen me call this trade out in confidence in front of you. That's what we're here to do. We're here to show you step by step the thought process behind day trading, because it is not easy. Day trading will test your confidence. It will smack your confidence in the face, I'll tell you that. Hopped off stream, came back, and we in the trade. GG's. Thank you, Smokey. Gold just took me out. Still good push up. Gold. You know what? I almost forgot gold existed. I've been so concentrated and hyper focused on NAS. Let's see, where we at here with gold? Yeah, it looks like it just built a support here on top of 30, 35. I have a level right here. Can y'all see those levels? Kind of. Let me know in the chat. Is it hard for you to see the levels I have on gold? These are minor levels, so that's why they're not highlighted, right? If I have an important level, we just smack TP, so I'm going to move stops to break even. If I have an important level, it's going to be highlighted here. All right. That was a huge bullish candle. Looks like they don't want this to buy up here, huh? Jeez. So yeah, chat, you can see we spiked above TP1 here. My goodness. Let's at least cover the fee. Jeez. The $3.50. I don't know, the fee's gonna be a little Cover it. 450. 450 should cover the fee, right? And we'll cover the fee. All right, new 3-minute candle here. Been in this trade for quite some time. Or maybe we'll just keep the break even actually, because who knows with these the way these bottom wicks been getting formed. Such a struggle. Really, really struggling to get up here. I mean, you can imagine if you didn't take a buy down here, who took a buy in this, right? Nobody took a buy in this, I bet. So maybe they're just trying to get people out of buys here. This is chopped. This is really chopped. Wish our entry was a little lower. Be nice if our entry was like down here, huh? All right, we are above 700, so we may get a good push here. Back above 700. But as you can see, we've spiked above 700 several times while being in this trade. So we want to see a candle hold above 700. And then maybe we'll get the push that we're looking for. Nope, we can't see them lows. You're so funny. Hope you've been enjoying the small gains. Build my personal account. Oops, I'm behind. No, you're good, yo, quick. Good morning. Another pendant forming on NASDAQ. Jess, what time frame, Jess? Oh, right here, right? Yeah, we kind of got one right here. Breakout, retest, go. Uh-oh, Jess might have found something. Jess might have found something. Breakout, retest, go. It's kind of looking like that, right? Let's see if we can smack TP1 again. We can play that future. I want to see W's in the chat. If we smack TP1, I want to see those W's in the chat. If we can smack it again here. Struggling. At 25 seconds left on the clock here. We may just take what we can get from this trade. Jeez. Can we smack TP1 again? We are struggling to do it. Here we go. New 3-minute candle. Brand new. Can we do it? If we do it, I want to see those W's, chat. Can we do it? We're right there. We're 1 point away. There we go. TP1 smacked again. Here we go. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Let's see if we can get that push. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Can we get that push? Here we go. 718. We're climbing above the 700s here. We want to get a push to 750 and then see if we can stay above there. Can we get a push to 750? Remember, chat. Remember, chat. We call them over here. We call them. If you're still watching someone who doesn't trade live, then it's 2025. It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up. That's all I'm going to say. I'm going to trail this because we're not leaving with zero at $100. I guess. Or maybe we'll trail that TP1 on. Nah, okay, maybe under this wick. 115. 115. Let's see. Oh, what happened to the music? Thank you for the W's, y'all. Jelani, good morning to you. Look a little buy and spy. Oh, you took a little buy and spy. Held this trade out quite a bit. Right? Quite a bit. We held it out. Let me trail it. 100. Wait, 200 for the day. We need 110, right? 111. All right, we'll put it at 111. Ooh, rejection here. We're on that moving average there. Projecting 765, but if we get a spike above that, I just threw TP up here in case we get a spike above that, but projecting 765 on this breakout. It looks pretty healthy, to be honest with you. Actually 80. Wait, 80 points. Oh, wait, to the T. Chat, if we go to 780, I'm gonna need you to spam up the go emoji, because I talked about 780 like a whole hour ago. An entire hour ago, we talked about 780. That's where this is right here, 780. I'll tell you right now, if we smack 780, the official concepts actually works. Was he so funny? I love the sarcasm. Sometimes we gotta hold through the BS. Yep. Sometimes we gotta hold through the BS. Thank you, A7. Thank you, A7. Yeah, we're gonna start calling it official concepts at this point. So chat, when they ask you what do you trade, just say official concepts. Look at that bottom wick. Testy, 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 testy. Can we get to 780? That'll be a Merry Christmas to us. But who knows? I mean, this market has been so wicky. So wicky. So wicky. Don't see nothing on gold right now, so I guess we'll just continue to focus on that. So what it look like on the 5 minute here? Oh, very chopped. Wow. 1 minute left on the current 5 minute candle. Ooh, 15 minute is a doji vibes. All right, trailing stop got smacked there. That's all right. That's all right, chat. I think we held this one out pretty good, pretty well. Not easy to trade and chop, right? We are on that moving average, so I mean that's where you're gonna get a lot of sellers to step in here, of course. So there goes the sellers. All right, let's see, 202 on the day right now. I wish we had more risk on it. It's too bad. It's too bad that, you know. See, yeah, it would have been like $500 if we use the original size I was going to put on it. That right there would have been 500. So yeah, we got a pretty huge bearish candle here. 57 points on that closure. 57 points on a 3 minute candle is insane, right? Okay, let's see. This is OC. Oh my god, we need an OC sticker. We definitely need an OC sticker. That would be hilarious. Because you know what's OC? That chop was OC. We're about to have everybody saying OC. think I want to start saying that for real. Open afternoon will bring some volume to the upside. Yeah, it probably will, just like yesterday. I think today's gonna kind of be like yesterday. Let's pull up Forex Factory here. Let's make sure I didn't miss anything. Oh yeah, nothing else today. Tomorrow, as we know, we got FOMC projections and statement at 11 a.m. Oh no, 11 a.m. my time. I'm sorry. I'm looking at like, wait, 11 o'clock? Did they just add a new news? Okay, 11 o'clock my time. So 2 p.m. on the East Coast per usual and 2:30. Looks like we're gonna have a double stream tomorrow, chat. You're gonna see me. Oh no, you're gonna see me 3 times tomorrow. I started back Asian sessions, so those of you who want to join us, free streams for Asian session. So make sure you tune in tonight for Asian session. We had a great session last night. So yeah, tune in. Trying to reach out to our other audience on the other side of the world. So that's why we're on Asian session. Trying it out for this week, seeing how it goes. And yesterday was really good. So yeah, tomorrow I guess you can see me 3 times. We'll do this. New York, we'll take a break. We'll come back for FOMC. And then you'll see me for Asian session. Big day tomorrow, huh? Let's see, Thursday. GBP monetary policy. He remembers our GBP monetary policy days. Now it doesn't matter because we're not trading GBP, but we always won. Like my track record on YouTube on monetary policy, we always get a big win. Collins, welcome to the official fam. Welcome. I appreciate you. Oh, the number's off. We got another new member yesterday, but it didn't count for some reason. So we actually have 3 new members. We got 2 more to go. I have to change the goal there. We got 2 more to go, 13 more days. See if we can get some new members here. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Make sure you check out the videos. There are videos there that for the official fam that the public can't see. And make sure you join the Discord and get your journal. I'm going to pull up the journal example here. Okay, chat, don't judge the journal. I was messing with the colors a little bit ago. No judgment, chat. All right, no judgment zone. You ready? I was trying to fix the colors. Oh yeah, hold on. Oh wait, no, it's not this. Where's the template? Let me just show y'all the template. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Here's a sample of what the journal looks like. So again, all members, the download is in the Discord. Join the Discord and you'll see journal template chat. I'll make different ones if you want. But yeah, I made this for you so you can put the pair that you trade, whether you took a long or a short, your entry price, contract size, all that good stuff, the amount of money you made. And this is just a sample. It'll give you the percentage that you're up or down. Right here, you'll see how much you're up or down for all the trades you take overall. And right here, we have your like data table. And what's cool about it is you can change your different entry strategies and you can see the win rate for your different entry strategies. So you can say, oh, I got 100% win rate with this strategy. But when I take entries like this, it's like a 50-50, right? So it kind of helps you adjust what you need to do more of. Yeah, all that good stuff. So, and then you got your win and losses. So yeah, it'll automatically adjust for you. And you can change these colors. All you have to do is click and highlight. And let's say you want to change that to red. Press OK. Okay, so yeah, you can still change these colors. Change that to yellow. All right. When you first download the journal, over here is where you're going to type your different strategy or entries. These are the 4 different ways that I enter trades. So that's why I type them here. So again, you can change these to whatever you want, the different ways you enter trades, and it'll automatically be an option here for you. Okay. For your journal, and then it'll automatically go up in here for your data table. All right, enough of the journal. I'll have you check that out in your spare time. Let's check out the market again. NASDAQ's getting another bounce on this level. May give it another go. Let's see. Oh, that's not a QB though. It is giving 3-bar reversal vibes though. It's giving 3-bar reversal vibes. $30-minute closes in 8 minutes. Just gotta close in 8 minutes, huh? You just gotta close in 8 minutes. I'll read the chat in a second. I promise I'll read the chat in a second. Just trying to calculate something here. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we got in the chat. Sajmir, I'm a member, but I still don't have access to the journal. Can you send it to me, please? Sajmir, Yeti, only members could see the journal on the Discord, yeah. So Sajmir, if you're having trouble, then please create a ticket in the Discord. You click on support, you can create a ticket right here, and then I'll be able to help you out. That's all you gotta do. Create a ticket. So join the Discord, create a ticket. But yeah, when you join, once you attach your membership, we have an automated system. So it attaches your YouTube membership to your name on Discord. We have an automated system, okay? Once you connect it, it'll give you access to the journal download. But I think I'll do that project over the weekend, chat, or sometime this week, where I'll try to maybe make some different colors. And then I'll put a picture of it so you know what it looks like before you download it, okay? Aishola785, what's up? It's been a minute. How are you doing? Thanks for coming through. I appreciate you so much. I haven't seen your name in so long. I hope you're doing well. Thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate that. Let's see, we got 5 minutes till closure here. Being a little tricky on this. Tricky. Tricky. They don't want us to get in buys, chat. They don't want us to be profitable. This just looks too good. For me, the hardest part of trading is knowing a candle's gonna close and seeing a possible setup. It's so annoying. You know, it's super annoying. Let me know in the chat, what's the hardest part of trading for you? I'll give you what's hard for me. Number 1 is seeing a setup, possible setup, and the candle's about to close. Number 2, 50-50 with holding trades. See, there we go. See, look at it now. Look at this crap. Unreal. You gonna wait for the candle about to be closed and you're gonna do all this? My goodness. Blasphemy, chat. It's ridiculous. We deserve better treatment than this. Take a buy here. Stop loss of 40. You know, Linz, I'm dying to know. What does OC mean? Ah. OC, Dave says official concepts. Well, technically, the slang OC stands for out of control. So, like, you know, like if you see something crazy, you'd be like, yo, that's OC. Like, that's out of control. But yeah, OC is also official concepts. I guess we have a double meaning for it over here. But yeah, slang wise, it means out of control. It's like a dramatic way to react to something, you know? Alrighty, closure coming in 15 seconds. Let's see what gold's looking like. You know what? Gold is looking like a pendant? Is it? Or am I tripping? No, I kind of see it, right? What we doing here on gold? It's kind of giving those vibes, right? Let me know in the chat if you see it on gold or if I'm tripping. Am I tripping, chat? Or do y'all see that too? Let me see it on the 1 minute. What's it looking like? Yeah, I feel like we could get a good, oh, if we break out to the top side, we can get a good launch here. All the way up to the top for 100 points. That's what I'm feeling. That's what I'm feeling, but gold's kind of slowing down here. Let's see how this forms. Oh, don't be one of those two. Here we go. You want to move two at the end of the candle. Got 1 minute and 50 left. Another one. Patience is the hardest part of trading for me. Hardest part for me is the discipline, patience, the emotional aspect. Get trigger happy, I get hesitant not to enter a good setup. Holding or entering too early. Why do you measure with the length of the head and the shoulders instead of the other shoulder side? Great question, Amanda. Why do you measure the length? For the pendant here? For this? When you measure these, you measure the big part. So you measure this from top to bottom, then you kind of have an idea of how far the breakout's going to go. And then you measure from the break of the trend line. So that was 82. So measure up 82 points. Should be about right here. If you're measuring a head and shoulders pattern, then you take the measurement from the head to the neckline. So you measure that, it's about 43. And then you say, okay, from the break of the neckline, it should go down about 43 points or double. Sometimes it does double. Yeah, actually, we have an example here on NAS. But let me hold that thought for a second. Okay, we got 8 seconds. Let's see if I can show you in 8 seconds. See how we kind of had like a weird head and shoulders here in a break? You measure the head. It's approximately 223 points. So from the break of that, 228 is about right here. So it should go about that far, approximately. And it may be a little more than that because I didn't measure to the T. I'm just doing approximately. If I measure from here to here, 328. So now let's get the actual measure. 328. Is it 328? Hold on. Should be from here. Okay, 279. My bad. 279 should be to the T. 279. And look where we're bouncing right down here, right? 279 is where we had our stopping ground from that breakout, right? Sorry about that, chat. I measured it wrong the first time. 279. Okay, let's see here. We are just chopping around. It's a trap. It's a trap. Oh, don't do that. Are you gonna do that? Are we really doing that? Coming on down. Incoming on NAS to the downside. Alrighty. Remember, price isn't going to do what you want it to do. So always follow your rules. It'll keep you out of losses. It'll keep you out of a lot of trades. You know, like I tell you all the time, we're in watch mode. You got to put yourself back in watch mode. Unless you're seeing something good. Can you play that Carter B snippet, please? Need to hear the voice. Oh, the what was the reason? Let's see.
What was the reason? What was the reason? What was the reason? I just explained the reason. What was the reason, bitch?
It doesn't get old. I'm telling you, it's the perfect soundbite. Never gets old. I'm from a rural town, so I always like 5 years behind. It's like, it's all good. All good. Let's see how we feel about NAS. Well, I'm trying to see what I missed on NAS. What did I miss? Let's take a look at this on the 5 minute. I guess it was just forming a bear flag this whole time, eh? It's continuation down, I guess. It's all right, chat. We will keep it zoomed in here. Let's check out gold once again. I'm kind of seeing this downtrend range, right? We're kind of like hard to graph it, but that's why I said it kind of looks like a pendant. Because if you slant your way down, then you can kind of connect it, right? So I'm thinking on gold that we are forming a breakout coming soon. Right, coming very, very soon. Question is which way? Let's anchor 8 o'clock again. Oh man, I clicked the wrong thing. What was that, a trend line? Ah, okay, it's way up here. All right, well, we don't really need that then. Check out VWAP real quick. On the 30 minute, I want to see it. Okay, we're very close to it. 20 points away. 22 points. I'm too good. Oh wait, no. I was a little high up. 19 points. It was very close. Well, that's interesting. 3 minute we touched it though. Yeah, Chad, it's giving Pendant City vibes to me. That's how I'm feeling right now. Pendant City. Star needs to leave just like a shooting star. Bye, Mal. Have a great day. Thank you so much for coming through. Robin, we might get a bounce on NAS soon. Yeah, it's been bleeding out all day, huh? All day. Trying to see if I see anything I like on gold, because it looks like it's coming soon, right? We're at the edge here. We are at the edge. QB on the 5 minute. See that? So that might be the play up. Might be the play up. Let's see. We haven't closed above here though. And delete the bottom. We don't really need the bottom because we're kind of looking at the top here, right? All right, let's check out and see what Topstep has been up to. Let's see how their trader's been trading today. We're going to pull that up right here for you.
This is basically what I do.
A little nosy. So let's see, started out, Hogue was down 400, but currently up 160 in that trade. Let's see if that trade worked out for him. All right, so Hogue started out down minus 400, but everybody else. Oh, I seen this guy up here. He does pretty well. He's pretty good. He's a funded trader and he's gotten some good payouts. Looks like he's doing a combine, 100K combine, down 700 today. Ooh, a little tough. Tough. Jay's down, looks like $42. And down 700 today. It's a little tough, huh? Okay, he got into a buy. Is that a one contract on NQ? Oh, MNQ. Okay. You know what I like about this? He sized down to micros. He's like, okay, I'm down 700. Okay, it's 3 contract. He sized down to micros. And that's what you got to do in these markets, right? You got to use the micros, especially if you're down. You know? Ooh, back in the red again. I saw him in the green when I skipped through. He's in the red too. Tough day. Tough day. You gotta understand, chat. I know I see on Twitter and I also see just a lot on YouTube, people making fun of them, but you have to understand when you've been trading for so long, and you've seen it with me 2 years ago, when you have your own concepts that make you profitable, that change your life, that work, that get you paid, you know what gets you paid. When the market conditions change and your concepts aren't working, that mental battle is tough. It's hard to adapt and adjust because you have a set of rules. Right now you kind of have to adjust your rules, so it's not easy. And then doing that in front of a crowd as well, it's not easy, you know. It's not easy, and people make fun of it now, but when they become full-time, or if they get a big payout and they quit their job and their concept in the next 10 years is giving them boo-boo trouble, they're gonna be like, oh shoot, now I get it. You know, so you have to be able to adapt and adjust as a trader. Be prepared to adapt and adjust. All right. Speaking of, I am looking at this as a possible buy now. I like this candle flip aspect right here. I just don't like the risk. The risk would be $400. Or the risk could be 30 right here. Okay, let's take a buy on gold. We'll put the risk under here for 330 instead of 470. Oh no, that's like $500 risk. Put a risk here for 330. That way it won't be that bad if it's a loss. Have a cushion of $200, so the loss will be what, minus 130. So that's not a bad risk. And I want to see if price can get up here. Going for $1,000 trade, low key. Got a candle flip and a double bounce, so let's see. Oh, it'll be a 3-bar reversal on the 30-minute if we push to 38. How far is that? 25 points away, and it'll be a 3-bar reversal on the 30-minute, which would make it a very strong buy. Yeah, looking to see if we can. Oh, we don't need this anymore. That was for me to show you. Let's see if we can get this buy up here. I'm going to show you the 3-bar reversal that I'm looking at right here. We have a 3-bar reversal. We have a neckline right here. I want to see if price can hold above this neckline and continue up for us. And we had a good retest inside of this candle. Some would call it an institutional candle. So yeah, I mean, if you consider institutional candle, that'd be institutional candle. So we had a good test in that zone. Let me highlight it for you so you can see it. Right, price came back. We had a bounce up, then we had another bounce up. We had 2 bounces up in this area. So quite a few things that made me like this setup. The only problem with it is we've been ranging for quite a bit. Let's see. Definitely hit that retracement on the fib for sure. I did not mean to delete that. I meant to delete this. All right, let's see. TP1. TP1's kind of far. That should be TP2. That is far. Okay. Oh no. TP1 should be here. Okay, let's put it back on the 3-minute. All right, quite a few TPs. Then we got TP12. TP12 is going to be a hell of a TP, right? Let's edit this to say TP12. Going for a 100-point breakout here for a $1,000 trade. Can we do it? Can we do it? Always blessed. Thank you for the ones in the chat there. Horsepower equals strength, not speed. Frederico, good morning to you. Put top step on in the barbershop. Did you? Nice. What up, Liz? What's up, Daniel? Good morning. Gold FX sell 3005. Yeah, I'm thinking the opposite. But hey, one of us is right, one of us is wrong, right? That's part of trading, you know? That's part of trading. I guess we'll see. Remember, chat, you know, we all got different perspectives, different strategies. You know, we're all going to see it different ways, you know? Different ways. And that's fine. Taking another look at NASDAQ here. Starting to get another bounce up. If we can get price to push into profit, then I will move my stop loss here for 270, right? We're going to slowly minimize the risk on this trade. And then as we hit TP1, we'll move stops break even and so forth. We're going to slowly move the risk lower. I need a drink of my coffee, chat. 3,005 last week high. Oh, so you're on a different. Yeah, you're on. You remember you're on the Forex chart, so your numbers are way different than mine. That's the beauty about trading. Absolutely. By the way, let me know if you're here in the chat. Let me know if you're new in the chat. Let me know who's here and let me know who's new. Put new if you're new. If it's your first time here, let me know. If you've been here, let me see it here in the chat. My coffee's kind of cold, low key. Ain't gonna lie. Let me know, chat. Let me get some hype in the chat. It's time to wake y'all up. It's time to wake y'all up again.
First thing when I wake up,
Just waking you up a little bit. Just a little bit. You know, gotta wake you up a little bit. Wow, strong candle coming in here on this new 5-minute. Wow. Definitely the opposite of what we're looking for here. Jeez. Talk about coming in hot. That candle came in hot, chat. Jeez. Jeez. Talk about making a statement. Still, looking at NAS here on the side. Almost looks like a fake out, right? We spiked this high. We spiked this high and then we dropped 30 points. Jeez. Did this just close as a QB or is my eyes deceiving me? Did it really? 9. Don't tell me this is 9 on the bottom. 7. Okay, quick poll in the chat. Is 9 and 7 close? Let me know in your opinion. Is 9 and 7 close enough numbers? Say it's close. Quick poll in the chat. I know it's such a random poll, but I want your opinion on this, chat. Numbers have to be pretty similar for it to be considered a QB. If it's a QB, then we're getting a bullish candle here. Lynn with the dance moves, you're funny. Loving to hear in the present. CM, good morning to you, CM. I hope you're having a great morning. Term horsepower dates back to the late 18th century with Scottish engineer James Watt. Need a way to compare the power of steam engines to horses they were replacing. Hey, there we go. Sam with the history lesson here. Thank you for that, Sam. That definitely makes sense. Look at NAS creeping back up to this level. All right. Notice if we look at this overall, we had a dip, right? And we just took out that low. If you kind of see that there. Well, how we feel about this? Let's see. Let me put this on the 1 minute. Yeah, I mean, it still has the potential to continue up back up to 780. But are the sellers going to test this again? I mean, this is a small test. 10 points? All the volatility we get in this market, and you telling me this was a 10-point test? I don't know if I believe that. Well, the top of this range, you know, if we're looking at this range over here, we're back inside of it, right? So top of this range is right over here, right? So if we're continue buying up, then I'm gonna assume that we're gonna be getting back to the top of this range here. All right, so that candle did close bullish on gold. Just being patient here. Like I said, if we start to go into profit here, I'll move my stops up to negate risk a little bit. There we go here, already pushing above those highs. So let's see, we're risking 330. We're gonna move stops up to this 3-minute bottom candle, about $210 risk. Okay. TP1 is approximately $310. TP2 is approximately $590. And you know, TP12 is 1,000. So doing quick math here, let's see, 310, that'll put us up 500 on the day. We close. This will put us up 790 for the day, almost 800, and then this will put us up 1,200 on the day. So we'll see where this goes. I'm putting TP12 here for 1,000, but I do feel like we are going to 3045. If you want me to be honest, 3045 is where I honestly feel like it may stop, but we'll be ambitious today, and we're gonna put that here, okay? But if you've been enjoying the stream today, if you've been enjoying all of the live call outs this morning, go ahead and give the stream a like. S&W won at 3032 entry, 3032. Oh, down here. Yeah, that would have been nice, huh, to get in down here. Yeah, that would have been a really good entry. Let's see, 16 points. I think I put TP1 a little high. Oh, TP1 should have been right here. That's all right. Hey, like I said, I guess we're gonna be ambitious with it, but TP1 should have been right here, a little bit above this resistance. At 3039.1, this should have been TP1. I am gonna move it down because that's where it should have been. We're gonna keep TP2. We're gonna TP2. Actually, yeah, we're gonna keep TP2 where it is. Alrighty. Still eyeing NAS in the meantime. If we smash TP1, I'm definitely gonna need to see some W's in the chat. It'll be third win of the day, eh? Already green day, waiting for 30-minute closure. Okay, nice. Glad it's a green day for you. Let me know in the chat, how are you doing today? Are you having a green day, red day, break-even day? You decide not to trade today? Let me know in the chat. Where are you today in the market? TP1 just smashed. Know what that means. We're gonna go ahead and move those stops to break even. Stop losses at break even. We're up 270, and let's see if we can keep it pushing. Only thing to be cautious about is a retracement back down to the breakout and then the full breakout, just because it's been so choppy. What do I mean? I mean this coming back to the break and then going. So if that happens, I will take profits and then maybe re-enter, just a heads up. But if we just get a straight shot up, then that's even better, right? A straight shot up. If you take a look up here, you can see the total for the day if I were to close the trade right now. So see, it says 460. If I close the trade right now, we'll be up 460 for the day. So if you want to take a look up here and get an idea, it adds these two together for you very quickly. Slight red day, tiny loss around break even, nothing crazy. Think I manage risk well. Hey, As long as you manage risk well, that's a W day, all right? Live to trade another day. No trade day for me. So far, no trades. W green. Thank you, Sean. I just seen you say go lens. By the way, once again, if you have been enjoying the stream, I'm going to ask that you give the stream a like.
Count it up, count it up, count it up, count it up, count it up.
We are slightly under the next bank zone. We're about 4 points away from the next bank zone, which would be 30.40. We're at 30.49 and a half. Well, 0.6, a little bit above half, right? But like I said, only thing to look out for here is a retracement back to the beginning of the breakout. Other than that, just kind of watching here. It's a nice 15-minute candle. Do you see how I slowly adjust my risk management, right? I wait till we're up a certain amount. We negate risk a little bit. We move stop loss up a little bit. And once we're smack TP1, now we're at break even, right? So we completely take away the risk on this trade, right? Now look at that spike. What in the world? Okay, we're going to take our money here and we're going to see if we can get back in. Look at that. That was ugly. And I'm going to measure this just so you can see how ugly it was. It was definitely over 10 points. 13 points. All right. Let's reset. Make it a retracement back down and then another entry. Reset time, chat. Let's clear the chart off here. You know what's funny? The trade we took yesterday on NASDAQ, it did exactly that, right? We got out and boom, it tanked back down and then got out at the perfect time. And the reason why is because you got to remember, buyers and sellers, the strength in this market lately, it's pretty equal. So it ain't like sometimes you're just going to get a pullback. Sometimes you're going to get a major sell-off. Right? It's very strong on both sides. Speaking of that, we closed above the moving average here on NAS. Will we continue up? I am thinking this is climbing back up in this range again. Let me highlight the range for you again, right? We're just in this range. We came up, we just had a bounce off the bottom. Right? We came back into the range. We had a bounce off the bottom of the range, so it's possible that we may be driving to the top of this range and then continuing, right? Let's see. Try to trade the ORB for the first time. Got seriously smoked. King Trades, what's up? Good morning to you. I'm sorry you got smoked. What's the ORB? Can't think of that off the top of my head. Does that stand for order block? If you're talking about order block, I said earlier there's an institutional candle right here that you can see price tapped into. We had like a double tap, boom, we come out of it, and then boom, we come out of it. And just because they're being extra, they created a support on top of this area, and then we got our shoot up here. But yeah, in this market, you want to take what you can get. I mean, take what you can get, chat. As you can see, we're taking what we can get. We're trying to hold these out. We're taking what we can get. Thinking about another setup here on NAS, by the way. I know I'm talking kind of fast. Thinking about another setup here. May get a nice candle flip. Stop loss will be below the bottom wick. Let's see. A little bit more of a push. There we go. We're going to enter this setup here. And First target is going to be here. Second target is most definitely going to be the top of this range. Let's see on the 1 minute. Let's see what's going on the 1 minute. Looks like we keep creating these dips, right? So you can see that very nice liquidity grab here. Wanted to take a shot at that dip, creating these higher lows here. Looked like a good shot there, and it's bouncing off of my level, right? This is a very strong level. It's from the weekly time frame, so it's very, very strong. So I was kind of looking at it as we're bouncing off of this level, besides creating a higher low, of course. But yeah, that's the concept behind that. And remember, chat, for me at least, you know how we go up, we pull back, we go up, we pull back, we go up, right, in an uptrend? You don't want to buy up here and up here. You want to try to get in where the pullback is. You know what I mean? So that now you can take your profits. So again, that's the idea, that we pulled back again here. We'll see. May need to lower risk, not lower risk, but trying to get the base of this. I think risk should be right here. This is the previous candle, so that's kind of the base. That'd be considered the base. Alrighty, so TP1 is kind of like the middle point of that range. TP2 is the top of the range. If for some reason we go further than that, then, well, all morning I've been talking about 780, so I guess we're gonna continue with our 780 theory from this morning, right? Have a great day, fam. Thank you, Janice. Have a great day. By the way, chat, I just want to take the time out to say thank you so much for every single one of you for coming to the stream today, even if you're not here anymore. Lots of you stopped by, and I really, truly, truly appreciate it. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you for spending time on the stream. We're trying to go for another W today. What are we? 3 in a row. 3 in a row today. I think we're kind of on fire. Small setup, small wins because the risk is so much, you know, it's unfortunate. Okay, here I'm gonna move the risk up because we just broke this candle high. So I'm gonna move the, not up, I'm sorry, move the risk down. I guess I'm moving up, but lowering risk amount per se. 280 instead of 330 here. We're getting chopped again. Well, that's a doji candle if I've ever seen one on a 5 minute. What a doji. No fun, huh? No fun. Take a look at this on the 1 minute. Decided to test this zone again. Lots of tests on this area. See if we can hold it. Thank you, fam. You're the definition of a real friend. Feels weird on days I don't stop it. Thank you, Seven. I appreciate you. He means the opening range. Wait, the opening range. Oh, the ORB, the opening range. Gotcha. Speaking of, where are we from that? Let's draw the opening range again today. Wow, we're still at the bottom of the opening range. That's crazy, right? We've been dancing down here since 9:30. It's 11:30 now, right? Well, on the other side of the world, it's 11:30. I don't know, chat. Surprised we're not getting a drive up in this range, at least to TP1. Like after TP1, if it doesn't go after TP1, cool. But my projection of 99% chance is TP1. After TP1, I got nothing for you, okay? After TP1, we're being ambitious today. I'm just letting you know. For this setup. Let's see here. We're gonna negate. We're gonna negate risk again. We're gonna negate risk one more time here for 182. $182 on the risk here. Looking for a push to the middle of this range. Again, after the middle of the range, hey, GG's. $180 on the risk. 180. Checking back in with gold. It's like gold might have found itself another retracement here. NAS don't want anybody to trade it right now. NAS is like, I'm here to mess up everybody's confidence in this market today. Right? NAS said, I'm just here to just mess with everybody. We are 3 for 3 on the stream today, so let's see if we can be 4 for 4. If we're 3 and 1, then it's all good. It's all good. I'll take a break till power hour. But let's see if we can be 4 for 4 on the day. Let me see a 4 for 4 in the chat. Can we get a 4 for 4 in the chat? Let's try to encourage this. See if we can continue pushing this market here. Can we get a 4 for 4 on the day? We've been doing small risks, but we're slowly climbing up, right? Another candle coming in hot here. Man, I think that candle just smacked us in the face, low key. This candle, man. 17 points on the pull up. Just got born into this world. 17-point drop. Hey, there we go with the 4 for 4s. Appreciate y'all. Thank you, Abby. Come on, let's get 4 out of 4 today. Come on, we're 3 for 3. Let's get 4 out of 4. End the stream off on a great note. And then I'll see y'all tonight for Asian session. Maybe this trade will get Wendy's to bring back the 4 for 4. Did Wendy's take away the 4 for 4? I haven't been to Wendy's in years. Years. It's been a long time. If we smack TP1, I'm going to need you to spam up the W's in the chat. Oh, shit. I'm going to need you to spam it up if we can do it. All right. Let's see. And then I will move stops to break even. Just so you know. Just so you know. Where I'm at, yeah. Really? Oh, I really didn't know. Struggling here. 1 minute left on this 3-minute candle. 1 minute left. I repeat. Jeez. So much for hitting the middle. All right, stopped out. Look at that. We're into that 222. 22292. Almost 22222, right? That's all good, chat. That's all good. We had a lot of small risk setups today, so of course the profits aren't going to be the biggest today, but we got 3 out of 4 on the day. Really, really great setups here. This was a good try. It could be that. Well, I mean, we are ranging, so. But we're going to end it off on that note. Stream-wise, I'm probably not going to look at this again till power hour. So yeah, I'm going to go to the gym and shower, breakfast, all the above. Continue my routine for the day, and I will see you all tonight for Asian session. And I don't think I created that stream yet, did I? Let me see. Let me see. Any last minute questions before I leave you today? Any last minute questions? W, thank you, Tech. Yeah, we had a great stream this morning. What an amazing stream. Okay, let me put up Asian session now before I forget. What's today? The 18th? Today, March 18th. Let's see. We're going to start at market open for Asian session. So that's 8 p.m. New York time, 5 p.m. if you're on the West Coast like me. All right, let's see if we can get that approved here. And I'm going to put the link in the chat for you. I'll put the link in the chat so you can click on it and you can click, make sure you turn on all notifications and all those good things. All right. There we go. This is for tonight. So I'm going to give you the link right here. What platform is this? This platform is Topstep. Topstep is a prop firm, futures prop firm. What was I doing? What was I doing? Asian session. All right, there we go. There's the link there. Is there a video on your channel where you explain your strategy? Yes, there's videos for members. I used to teach for free for a year and a half straight on YouTube. But as you know how the internet is, people take advantage. If you're a smaller YouTuber, people take your concepts, and because you're not popular enough, they want to say other people taught them. So yeah, I no longer do that. It's kind of like if you made art and you're not a popular artist, but then like a famous artist took your art and sold it and made millions of dollars off of your art. It's kind of like, what? You know what I mean? So yeah, just for the members. If we check out the membership tiers, you can see what each membership tiers get. The higher the membership, you get everything behind it as well. But yeah, and shout out to our members. You see the results of our members in the chat. Real life, real people, real results. Right? Real results here. You see how our members are trading. Love it. And you see Karain. Where's Karain at? Here's Karain. Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at? Here he is. You see Karain got that $6,000 payout. Hey, members are getting paid. Okay. Members are getting paid. On that note. Oh, I just answered you, Paulo. I said this is Topstep over here. Let me get the link for you. Or I'll put the link in the chat for you. Topstep. So Topstep is a prop firm for futures. Let me paste it. There you go. I put the link there. I know you were asking about putting $1,000 in a broker earlier, but the truth is you're not going to make nothing but like $1 a day. And that's good practice. But if you're ready to start making money, then it's better for you to take that $1,000 and save it and just put $50 into a prop firm, because you can make thousands of dollars, right? You can invest your money so much better, right? So remember, the goal of business is to invest the lowest amount possible to get the biggest return, right? Just like if you had a clothing store, right? If you paid $10-12 to make your t-shirts and you're selling your t-shirts for $20, you're making a profit, right? But if you paid $10 to make a t-shirt and you're selling the t-shirt for $8, well, now you're negative, right? So it's better to invest a little bit of money and make a big X return. So yeah, these are the different account sizes they have. I'm using the 100K. Yeah, so like I said, the 50K is 49. So yeah, I get it. Thanks, King. Alrighty, fam. On that note, what's the cost for the 50K challenge using your code? I don't have a code. Yeah, I don't have a code. I don't get paid for them, and they don't do affiliate things. Yeah, I don't have a code. They did just hit 150K subscribers, so they've been hinting that they're gonna do something for everybody, which I assumed was gonna be a discount. But they said they're discussing right now on what they're gonna do. Now, last year they did a discount for $33. So I wonder if they're gonna do that now, another $33 discount. So I guess we'll see, right? But yeah, they don't really do discounts too much. I'll be honest with you, they really don't. But I will tell you, I've traded on a bunch of platforms, and this by far is definitely the best platform I've ever traded on as far as entering trades, managing risk, no delays. You have a journal built in here with a whole data center. You have everything here. They have an AI that gives you tips every day. Like, they live stream every day, right? There's so much. They give you free education. It's a phenomenal platform. It's made by people who have actually traded professionally, not people who had $5,000 courses and $4,000 courses in Forex. These are people who've traded professionally in the pit as a career years ago, you know? And the owner is already a millionaire. It's not like he needs the money. So it's nice to work with someone who doesn't need the money, in a sense. You know what I mean? You know, you can really see they're here for your benefit. How come you don't trade with Take Profit Trader? I think I heard of them like twice. I never really checked them out before, but one of our members, Migs, said he was switching to Take Profit Trader. So let's check it out before we leave here. Take Profit Trader. Okay, let's learn a little bit. Let's see. I've heard nothing but good things on them. No fee. Oh, is there no activation fee? Is there really? Select your account size, prove you can trade, start earning money on day one. Withdraw into your account, upgrade to Pull Plus. Wait, you can start withdrawing on day one? Hold on. Okay, so let's see. So you get the account. At least 5 days. Wow, so once you get the funded account, you don't need to have a minimum amount of trading days to withdraw. You just withdraw. You can withdraw, I guess, on the first day. Withdrawal process is immediate. Test vs Pro. Up to 3 resets for free? Wait, they have free resets? What platform? This is Take Profit Trader. Why do people have discounts with them? Because I could see if we can, maybe we can see if we can get a discount for everybody or something. Want a free pro account? Let's give you a chance for a free pro account in this email. Okay, hold on. Wait, but what's the catch though? You can withdraw on your first day be funded. No, you pay for a reset. Oh, why does it say? Oh, they're just saying you have the ability to get 3 resets. Oh, I get it. Okay, so once you pass the funded account, I'm sorry, once you pass the evaluation, you get the funded account. If you need to reset your funded account, you have that option. Whereas with other companies, once you get the funded account, you're done. Like you can't reset your funded account. You got to start all over from the evaluation. So is that what it is here? The resets are expensive. How much are the resets? Let's see. They're not going to tell you that, huh? They're not going to tell you that. Okay, let's say anybody here. So you bought one before, Always Blessed? You bought a 50K? 100K? Which one you buy? Let me know in the chat. Has anyone bought one and done a reset? And how much was the reset? Yes? You did the 50K? Oh, you did the 50 and 150? Okay, so... Okay, the 50K is 170 a month. That's pretty high. That's pretty high compared to Topstep, huh? Your 25K reset was 449? Wait, what? See, when they put 3 resets, I'm thinking you got 3 chances to reset it for free. But you know what would be cool though? If companies gave you 1 free reset, just one free reset on your funded account. Am I wrong? Would that not be a cool feature? 449, 450 for a reset on a 25K? You paid 1,400 for a reset? Oh my. See, that's not even worth it. First of all, the 50K is 170 a month. Versus the 50K in Topstep is $50. You could get 3 50K accounts on Topstep and put them in the trade copier that they give you for free. You know? Wow. What's up with the expenses? I mean, I could see if it was straight to funded, then yeah, the cost would be higher if it was straight to funded, but... So what's the hype about them then if they're more expensive? Because I see a lot of people, like especially on Twitter, a lot of people talk very highly of them. I'm just wondering. It's cheaper to buy another account. Ah, the daily payouts. But realistically... Okay, no activation fee, I see. Okay, so let's take Topstep for an example. You pay for a $50 account, but to activate it once you pass, you pay $150, so you're paying $200 versus here a 50K is $170, which is $30 less. So I guess you're kind of paying the same thing. Okay, I could see how you're paying the same amount. But why pay more money to... Why pay $450 just to reset your funded account? That's crazy. So it's 30, so technically it's $30 less. The Topstep. It's still here, you said buy an hour ago. Yeah, I was answering questions. No payout window, you can pay outs from day one. Once you're above the buffer, oh wait, there's a buffer. Oh, so is it similar to Apex where you have to be above the buffer? You have to be above the buffer zone to get a payout? See, I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that. If you do all that work to pass a challenge, Why make people basically take the challenge again in their funded account and then they can withdraw? That's just forcing people to, oh, let me hurry up and make this again so I can get a payout, and then boom, they lose it. Boom, they lose it. Boom, they lose it. To me, once you take the challenge and you get the funded account, it should be okay. Now you can start withdrawing your profits as long as it's above $100. I don't know, you know, something like that. Not above, you know, what you already do. That's annoying. You get what I'm saying, chat? You do a 50K, you got to make 2K to pass. You get the funded account. You got to make another 2K, and then whatever you make above that, you are able to withdraw. So you're basically doing it twice. I don't think that's worth being able to withdraw every day, because if you're going to do this professionally, or if you're going to do this long term, if you want this as big money long term, you don't realistically withdraw every day. I mean, yeah, maybe if you have a good day, you may withdraw, but you may withdraw once a week, maybe twice a week if you're having a really good day. But you know what I mean? You may withdraw once a week. So realistically, with topstep, you got to have 5 days of 200 or more. It's kind of realistic that every 5 days you would withdraw. So I don't see much of a difference, you know? At least with topstep, you don't have to hit a buffer zone. You just got to have 5 days of 200 or more, and that could just be one trade. One trade a day, you know? Yeah, I don't know, y'all. It sounded good till we started getting more detail. I just don't believe in doing a challenge and then basically doing it again, then getting paid. Nah, then there's no point in doing the challenge. Y'all with me on that? As I remember from the old story, horsepower was just a marketing move. You had to sell cars to farmers. You just had to say this car is 10 times more powerful than your horse. I like that. That's some good information. That makes sense as well. It definitely makes sense. Alrighty, y'all. I am gonna get off. I will see you tonight for Asian session. It is gym time. Gym time. All right. So on that note, thank you so much for your time. I really, truly appreciate every single one of you for coming here. I will see you tonight. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Stay positive. I'm out.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe.
Kids screaming in their cradles,